Ever chopped an onion and found yourself in tears? You're not sad, but your eyes just won't stop watering. Why does chopping onions turn us into emotional wrecks? Here in Dr. Wonder TV, I'll try to answer all the things you've ever wondered. So what's the deal with onions and the whole eye floodgate thing? It turns out onions have a little secret weapon called sulfur compounds. These sneaky chemicals are harmless when the onion is just sitting there, but when you slice into it, boom! It's like setting off a tiny chemical bomb. When you cut through an onion, you break its cells, which releases enzymes. These enzymes then go to work on the sulfur compounds, turning them into something called syn-propanethyl S-oxide. Fancy name, right? But basically it's an irritant, and when it hits the air, it makes its way straight to your eyes. And your eyes? Well, they don't love being irritated. In fact, they try to defend themselves by producing tears to wash away the chemical. It's like your eyes are crying out, hey, quit with the onions already. So technically onions don't make you cry, they just irritate you enough until your eyes start a mini protest. It's like your body's way of saying, enough with the onions, man. Here's a fun twist. Not all onions are equal in their tear-inducing powers. Ever noticed how some onions make you cry more than others? That's because the levels of sulfur compounds vary between onion types. Sweet onions, for instance, have less sulfur, so they're kinder to your eyes. But chop into a strong yellow onion and you're in for a waterfall of tears. So, the next time you're chopping onions and find yourself tearing up, just remember, it's not you, it's science. And hey, maybe you can blame the onions next time you need an excuse to cry during a movie. Got more questions like this? Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to Dr. Wonder TV, where we dig into the science behind the stuff that makes you wonder.